So good afternoon to all of you. So this session will start. We'll do the lab for that intercurrent parasitics. Okay. So what we have discussed, that thing we'll see, we'll do and see whether we are getting what we have studied, we are getting or not. Okay. So here first we'll check. So what we have discussed, only that OR part we'll discuss. That means in this inverter, so this is your fan out. So this part we have discussed. This means that fan out capacitance, then depletion capacitance of this transistor. So this is the wire capacitance. Today you have studied about this wire capacitance. Okay. So now that thing we will implement. So for today's lab, what we will do in this line, okay, this line we will use a poly. Okay, we will use a polysilicon. Okay, so in this polysilicon, so what we will do, we will calculate resistance of this polysilicon, then capacitor. Resistance and capacitance both will calculate. Okay, for what? For lumped. Okay, for lumped model, what is the resistance and capacitance? Okay, so then for T model, then pi model. Okay, so for each other models are 2T model, 2 pi model, pi 2 model or pi 2, then next distributed model. Okay, so lumped model we have discussed, that is only whatever the resistance, capacitance will make one resistance and one capacitance. Okay, so the resistance is nothing but addition of all resistances, and the capacitance is nothing but all are parallel, so addition of this all capacitances. So that is lumped, very simple simplistic model, one R and one L. Okay, so for this case we have calculated that propagation delay TP is equal to 0.69 RC. Okay, so actually in our inverter case, we have not added this. Directly we are using that device resistance. Okay, but in the lumped case, one resistance and capacitance. Everything will model as a one resistance and one capacitance. Okay. Then in T model, what we will do, instead of this one resistance, what we will do, we'll split this resistance in two. Same capacitance will be there. Then this is R by 2, this is R by 2, this is C. Okay. So this is T model. It's looking like T. So that's why it is called T model. Then another model is that 2T model or pi model, you can say here, pi model. Okay, so I'll do here. So the first one is lumped model. So lumped model is one resistance, one capacitance. Okay. So this resistance R is nothing but it's a combination of all R, R1, R2, R3 like that. C also C1 plus C2 plus C3 like that. Also, this is lumped. Then 2 is T model. So we'll split this into two. So this is so same C will use here. This instead of R, it's R by 2, is R by 2. Okay. This is input, this is output. Okay, it's symmetrical also. Then third one is phi model. What is that? So it's looking like pi. Okay, so capacitor will split. We'll split the capacitor. Okay, so this is C by 2, this is C by 2, and this is R. Okay, then fourth one is 2T model. Okay, T2 model, generally it's called T2 model. So what is that? So that is 3 resistances and 2 capacitances. 1, 2, 3 resistance, and here 2 capacitances. So this is C by 2, this is C by 2, this is R by 3, R by 3, R by 3. Okay. So similarly, pi 2 model. So what you will do? So two resistance and 3 capacitances. This is C by 3, C by 3, C by 3. This is R by 2, R by 2. This is out, in. Every case, it's out, in. Then finally, the distributed model. Okay. So what is that distributed model? So the distributed model is, so this is the distributed is the extension of this, means resistor capacitor, then resistor capacitor, then resistor capacitor, resistor capacitor, like n number of segments. Okay, this is segment 1, this is segment 2, segment 3, segment 4, like n number of segments. Okay, based on the length. If the length is more, then segment number will be more. Okay, so clear everyone, these are the models we can generally used for calculate the capacitance and resistances of the circuit. Okay, and here this one is more overestimated and simplistic model. Okay, and this is better than this. Okay, for very simple solution, simple calculations, so this one will give the better result than this. Okay, see, this is very simple, 2 resistance, 1 capacitor, but it will give better result than this. Okay, so for simple analysis we can use this T model. Okay, so chart 1. Sir, you are not audible. So I am not audible?
Yes, sir, audible. Yes, sir, audible.
Okay, 1 minute. Who said? Samyaranjan Khadagre. I am not audible? Okay, you have written previously, I think. Okay. Yeah, please check. Because, so everyone getting me perfectly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so we'll proceed. Now everyone understood these 5 or 6 models?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the distributed one. So you can see the distributed one is more accurate. Okay, we are not taking any assumptions here. We are doing, means we are adding every bit of section. Every section we are adding RC, RC, RC. Okay, so it is complex, but we will get a better result. Okay, but here you can see this is the overestimated result. That means you can see in your last session we have discussed, for lumped case the propagation delay is 0.69 RC, but for distributed what is the value?
0.38 RC.
38 RC. That means it is overestimated. Actually, in real case, we will get 0.3 RC, but we will calculate 0.69. That is good also, not a problem, because we will have some margin. Okay, at least 0.3 margin we have. Okay, it is not bad, it's good actually. Okay, so this is the difference. So now that thing we will check in our lab session. When you will do the lab, we will check that. So how, means it is different, and we'll see that. So for that, what we'll do, for that where we'll use a poly. Okay, so use a poly. We'll use a poly. Okay, so this is A side, this is B side. Okay, so it will connect to somewhere else. So this is the contact actually. So it will connect to, and the length of this poly is, so length of this poly is 1000 micrometer. Okay, so take the length, please calculate. Length is equal to 1000 micrometer, and width is equal to 1 micrometer. Okay, this is the spec I have given for you. This is poly. Okay, and sheet resistance, okay, R sheet is equal to 15 ohm per square. Okay, and that parallel capacitance, C parallel plate, that capacitance CPP, you can say it's 0.106 femtofarad per micrometer square. Okay, and fringe capacitance, so fringe capacitance is equal to C fringe 0.043 femtofarad per micrometer. Okay, so first calculate what will the total R and what will the total C for lumped case. What will the total R, what will the total C? Calculate and write in the chart window. So I am giving you 5 minutes.
Sir,
Yes.
so there must be like another capacitive plate or another metal plate will be there, right? For CPP or C fringe, within 2 plates we have to estimate.
So here only one layer. So this layer to substrate you have to calculate.
Okay.
That is CPP. Got my point?
Yes, sir. And here we got the length and the height.
Not height, it's width.
Okay.
Height we don't have any count. That's why giving femtofarad per meter square or femtofarad per micrometer. That means that is included in the.
Okay.
So calculate and give your answer. Okay, Subham Kumar. Okay. Okay, please calculate others. Others, please calculate. Nilima, please calculate.
Sir, we have to calculate resistance and another one.
Mm-hmm.
We have to calculate resistance and another one.
We have to calculate resistance and capacitance, total capacitance.
Okay.
Okay. So now you have calculated R is equal to 15 kilo ohm, and total C is equal to CPP plus C fringe. So that is 106 plus 86. That is 192 femtofarad. Yes or no? So R sheet you have used. R sheet is equal to how much? I've given R sheet is equal to 15 ohm per square, and CPP is equal to 0.106106 femtofarad per micrometer square, and this is C fringe is equal to 0.043 femtofarad per micrometer. So everyone calculated and understood how to calculate that PP and fringe capacitance. Everyone clear or not? That fringe part.
So unit of capacitance will be?
Hello, Ashwini.
So
Yeah.
unit of capacitance?
Femtofarad 10 to the minus 15.
No, sir. Unit will be femtofarad per micrometer or say only femtofarad?
Only femtofarad. So see, this micrometer square already given. That's why you have to calculate that area. When you will multiply that area, then how it will come? Getting my point? This is per micrometer square. This is the unit value. When you multiply total area, then how it will be there in micrometer square? Are you getting my point or not?
Multiplying the length now.
No
We are
length into
multiplying the length.
what you are doing? What you are saying?
We are multiplying the length.
In which case?
In the perimeter, we are. It is the.
Yes, but in can you
Meter.
what I have written? The C fringe is equal to what I have written.
0.043
Then
femtofarad per
Then?
micrometer.
per micrometer. So if you multiply L in micrometer or micrometer square,
Micrometers.
then micrometer cancel or not?
CPP will be per micrometer square.
So you are not understanding anything, Ashwini.
Yes.
So why I'm from morning I'm discussing same thing. Why it is micrometer square? Because we are using area. That is the clearly that bottom part of that means that whether metal or poly whatever that means component. That's why we are using L into W width. But here
Yes,
in the fringing it is only perimeter.
So W is 1 here. L is 100, 1000.
L is equal to 1000.
Yes, sir. I got.
W is
Yes, sir, I
equal to
got that.
1.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Oh. Ashwini, I can't do anything for you.
Okay, sir. I understood.
No, you understood or not? See, sometimes
Yes.
this is very silly. Honestly, I'm saying it. These are the things, very silly things you are asking. I'm not underestimating you, but these are the basic things you should have. Because
The
I'm
parallel
from the
plate,
morning,
I was confused.
I'm doing same thing. So if you after the moments after 3 or 4 hours, if you not understand, then how will catch up? That's what I'm saying. I'm not underestimating you. Just I am saying you should know this. These are the basic things. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Because everything you need, all these things are there. So sorry, Ashwini. I just don't take it seriously. You should
Oh,
know.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give your answer. Not a problem. So now
I've
you
not done the
understood.
calculation part. That's why.
Yeah. Now you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Good. Okay. So now what we will do? So next thing is your total R is equal to 15 kilo. Please go fast. We'll do. C is equal to 192 femtofarad. Okay. So now for lumped case, so for the lumped case, this will be R is equal to 15K and this will be 192 femtofarad. For T, what will happen? Please, jaldi bolo.
So 7.5K,
Yeah,
7.5K,
7.5K, 7.5K, and this is
192
192 femtofarad. For pi,
So 15K, and the other one is
15K, this is
96
96
femtofarad.
femtofarad.
This is
96
femtofarad.
Femtofarad.
Okay. So now this is the three basic things. Now consider a distributed network with 10 segments. So what will do say? Jaldi. 10 segments. Okay, this is one first like this, then final segment.
So 1.5K, 1.5K.
Okay, this is all are connected to ground. So this is 1.5K, similarly 1.5K, 1.5K. Then this
19.2.
19.2.
19.2 femtofarad. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this thing we will implement in our lab. So everyone clear? You have calculated, and
Yes.
what's the value for lambda, what's the value for T model, what is the value for pi model, and what is the value for your distributor model. We'll do these 4 cases. Others will not do because unnecessarily we will waste time, but we will not get any information. So if we'll do these 4 things, we'll get enough thing. Okay. So now, so we'll stop here. This thing, we'll go to our lab. Okay. Again, I'm saying. So here in the lab, what we'll do? Individually, we'll do this thing only. We'll check the time. Okay, propagation time. So how to do the propagation time? How we'll check? So just we'll give a transient signal. Okay, we'll give a transient signal. We'll check the input. This is the input at the input, and we will check the output. So the output, what we will get? We'll get like this. Okay. So for different case, we'll do different thing we will get, and from 50 to 50% we will check. Are you getting why we will get this type of thing? Because we are not using inverter. Only we will check for this section. That inverter part will not add here. Later, once you complete this, we can add in that inverter part. Individually, we will check what is the delay of this due to this poly interconnect. What is the delay? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now come to your lab session. Oh, is there? So everyone open. So your lab.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
So there is some issue with my laptop. I have given it for repairing. Sir, you should decide.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Just follow and.
Sir,
Yes.
is it okay if I see it and do it later?
Yeah. What we'll do now? Means just follow what I am doing.
My laptop is not there.
That
Yes.
means
So actually, there is some issues with my laptop. I've given it for repairing. That's why.
Yeah, it's okay, but
I don't have my laptop right now.
yeah, but what I am saying, just sit and follow us what we are doing. Then later part.
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
Yes, yes, you can do that. Yeah. Now I thought you will left this meeting. We'll leave this.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So as usual, so you can. So today you should do. Actually, I will sit and you should do, because now it's enough knowledge you have how to do. So create 3 terminals. So make it. So make it ngSpice. So everything in capital letter. I have to stop this. So do yourself. I'll again. So, okay, so first netlist. So go to your love something. Okay. So create Vim in interconnect parasitics.sp. Okay, interconnect underscore parasitics.sp. Okay, so now press I. So what we will do? So write interconnect now. Long so R L R L out K then CL out 0, 192. So T model definition. How to email. So you can define everything here. So L means it's long. So you can do same way. RT, RT, int, int, out, T. So 7, not out, T. So int node 1. Okay. So 7.5K. Okay, then RT1 int node 1, then RT2. This is N1 out T 7.5K. Okay. Then CT, this is N1, then 0, then 192 M2. Clear? Then star pi model, definition. So here 2C, then 1R. So in out RP, this is in P. So in out P, out P. Okay. So it's 15K. Then CP1. Okay, CP1. This is in P 0. 96 femto. Okay, then CP2, then out P 0, 96 F. Okay, then distributed, then distributed model. So definition. So what is that? Then RD1, you'll start RD1. So that is RD1 RD1. So N1, not N1, ND1. ND1 ND1. Okay. Node 1 ni in D. Node 1 then
ఇప్పుడే కదా స్టార్టింగ్
1.5K. Okay. So now we copy this 10 times. Char, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we edit this. So add it 2, then int 1, int 2. So then, so this is RD3. So int 2, int 3. So int 4. So int 3, int 4. So int 5, int 4, int 5, int 6. And 5. So in 5, this is 6. Then this is 7. Then in 6. Oh, node सब होगा. Yeah. Okay, so this is node 7. So this is node 7. Then node 8. 8. So 9. Node 8 is node 9. So this will be out D. Okay. So this is ND9. Yeah, so it is for resistance completed and capacitance also. For capacitance, you will do same thing. So CD1 is ND. So ND1 then 0. So I'll remove all this. So ND1 0 is 0, then is 96, sorry, 9 19.2 femto. Okay, so you can copy all these things. Pincher, so just do this. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have defined that for every so we'll define source. So we'll give a pulse at the input. Okay, so source of input definition. Input pulse input. Okay, so here what you will give? You will give the input, that is V in. Okay, so V in. Okay, so same thing we can give for all, not a problem. So V in you can give a common input, not a problem. So for that so output will be different, but you can give a common. Yeah. So here V in is equal to तुम्हारा node V in, then 0, then false. Okay, so here how much will give? Give 0 to 5. So 0 to 2.8, you can give 2.5. Then delay. How much delay you want to give initially? So that is, so give 5 nanosecond, 5 nano, then rise time. Okay, so here rise time should give very less rise. Okay, 1 pico you can give. Okay, so fall time also 1 pico. Then what we will see the period. So period, the falsehood periods are not matter. So we can give 10 nano. So 2 nano, not 2 nano, it's 5 nano will give, then 10 nano. Okay, so this we can reduce. So 2 nano I can give. So after that, what we'll do? The dot tran. We'll do the transient analysis. Okay, we'll see the versus time. So after that, what we'll do? Dot tran, dot tran, dot tran.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, while writing all the values, how will the compiler know that for what value we are assigning for what? Like in the Perl statement, you have written first it will be start from 0 and it will end at
2.5.
2.5, and then you wrote the rise time, fall time. So how will the
Yeah, that
is
Paul's
there
type. Yeah, that I have typed the name Paul's. So if the compiler will check it is Paul's, so inside it's written in this format. So first one is your initial value, the second is the final value, the third one is the rise time, fourth one is the fall time, and no, third one is the delay, fourth five is rise fall, then falsehood and period. In this,
so that's a fixed syntax we should follow
yes,
for every time,
yes,
right?
yes, yes, that is fixed. So
Okay, sir.
that if you want to know more, then in NG Spice, second chapter or third chapter, you can read, you will understand. For every
Okay.
sources, it is defined. Okay, how to mention.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dot tran. So you can say 1 pico or 5 pico. You can say 5 pico. Then, so we want only one cycle. Okay, so that we can give 12 or 13, 12 picosecond, not 12, we'll give 15 pico. Okay, so getting my point. So where giving 15, okay, I'll explain. So dot control, then run, then plot. What you want to plot? Lot of things you want to plot. First v in. Okay. Then v out L for long. So v out T, then v out 5, v out P, then v out D. Sorry, v out D. Okay, so this is then end C dot end C dot end dot end. So everyone getting what I am doing?
Sir, in the distributed model, That will be RD10.
Okay, RD10 actually, yes.
The capacitance all are CD1.
No, that will change. I have not changed. You have to change. That is CD2, CD3 like that. CD2, CD3, CD4, CD5, CD6, CD7, CD8, CD9, CD10.
So that will be out D.
CD10.
Okay, that is ND 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, ND 9, then out D, yes. Out D. Yeah. Out D, out D. So everything is okay?
Sir, in that pi model, it should be IN.
Check and
IN8.
tell me if I made a mistake. Yeah. So RP in, out P, CP, CP in, okay, in, not in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, CP, yeah. So then output's okay, I think. Then anywhere RT1, N1, 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 in N1, then N1 out. Okay, that's okay, internal.
Sir, can you show the plot line again? Plot line.
Where?
Plot, sir, plot line.
Okay, plot. So plot that these 5 output you want to plot. V of in, V of out L, V of out T, V of out P, V of out D. So if you have then CD love something. Okay, then we'll do the source interconnect. Okay, so love ngSpice source in yeah, so nothing getting means what's the problem?
Sir, excuse me, take to the take to the starting of the program.
What you are saying?
Sir, can you scroll up, sir?
Okay, I'll make it full screen. Okay.
There is a 10 second, right? The pulse input.
Pulse input.
That is a 10 nanosecond, right?
10 nano, yes. 0, 2.5 voltage. The delay is 2 nanosecond. 1 pico, then 5 nano, 10 nano. Oh, sorry. What happened? Okay, so what is the program? D no decimal transient and zero value used. Is there a convention?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, why didn't we include the .lib thing in this code?
No, actually, we are not using any semiconductor device here. So, in the previous case, we are using MOSFETs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, for that, models are required, but these registers are. This is simple. So, no model is required for this.
So here we are just allotting all the values and
Yes.
just compiling it.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So, but mine here, the error is coming, sir.
What error you are getting? This.
Could not find a valid model name.
You are getting valid model name?
Yes, sir. Could not find a valid model name.
Don't think model name required. Okay, you can give the model name, but I don't think model is required here. Because all are the capacitor, this is passive components. So there is, okay, anyway, check. Dot. So here all the transistor models are there. Okay, so no need to require this actually. Because there is no register models here. So there is some other problem. I'll check that. Okay, temperature we can give. Temperature, okay. So inside this temperature also there. So so doing analysis at temperature surrounding be in no DC value, transient time zero value used. Okay, so pulse input be in
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Getting the wave form.
Your voice is breaking.
I am getting the wave form, sir.
Huh?
Wave form आ रहा है, sir.
Yeah. What change you have done?
Dot transition. Dot trans.
Dot run. We have to make.
15 nano. I think so.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Great. Yeah, that should be 15 nano. Should not be 15 pico. Because means our period we are giving nano, so how it is pico. Yeah.
Sir, still that's showing that model means the invalid model name.
No, model actually not required. See,
So model.
just give the temperature and okay. So just dot temp is equal to dot temp space 25. Please give that. You can check. So means I can show you. Actually, I think model name will not required because inside in this model solely MOSFETs are defined. So there is no only for temperature you can separately put dot temp. Otherwise it will work. So okay, I'll put I. Okay. So let's check. So first of all. But still it's coming, okay. So because doing analysis at temperature 27, it's by default it's taking 27, okay. So not a problem. So you can no need to give that model file also.
Sir, still showing that could not find a valid model name.
So what you have this, see, just think logically. We are using R and C, okay. So this is you are it's not semiconductor resistance or semiconductor capacitor you are using, okay. So you have you given any model name? So only you are defining the capacitance and capacitance value, node name and capacitance value, resistor
Yes,
node.
sir, but I didn't any give means any model name, but it's showing that means the error is coming. I can't get the graph.
So please check because same code I have also written. It's working fine.
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, cannot find model 15K.
So please compare with me again. So where you have done mistakes. See, I'm doing the full screen. See, initially now I have commented that line. No, it is not using. So I have given pulse input first V in 0 pulse 0 2.5 2 nano 1 pico 1 pico 5 nano 10 nano. Have you given in this way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then all are RC or any other things you have used?
Sir, RC, everything is RC.
So first line RO. Okay. So in the control line, what have you used?
Sir,
Can you send a snapshot?
okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm giving.
Okay. Just send a snapshot. Then I'll check.
तलवारों पर सर.
Who is this?
Sorry, sir.
Why you have written V in the control line? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So why you have written V in that pulse in the control line?
In first.
Array, at least you have to see.
Yes, sir.
You send the snapshot. Here I am saying.
So, yes, I got it.
Then I am saying. Let's remove that and check again. You should write in the top. This is the component. Okay, you have to define.
No, sir, I wrote on the top because I am doing my, means I'm
Arey
splitting my
Baba.
screen. No, sir, just listen to me. I've splitted my screen due to which that top line came bottom now. I didn't check that.
Then you should check. I am saying what you have written in the control line. Sir, it's not coming. I am saying check that. Remove that line and
Sir,
yes.
sir, I got an error that is showing no such vector V
Yeah, no such vector V.
input in.
So V in check. You have defined V in properly or not? V of in.
Okay, sir.
So in node is there or not everywhere? Check in node in is there or not. And if you are writing V inside the bracket, you should write in. Here, okay. Once you do, I will say another thing.
So please scroll down.
What happened? Shit.
So scroll down the netlist.
Netlist? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, yeah. So distributed model you want?
No, sir, the first input.
Okay, top one.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, so now you are getting this plot. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the red one is your input, and these are the other plots. So the blue one is your lumped model. Okay. So others you can see. Okay. So the red one is your input, then the green, and you can see that T model, P model. Yeah, the D model is this one. Okay, from the color you can see. So you can see it, D, P, and distributed T model and P model. There is no difference, very small difference. But in lumped model and in the distributed model, there is a huge difference. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only because that is we have taken that all approximation and we have calculated at 0.69 into that. So here you can see this is 2.5 voltage supply we have given, 2.5 voltage input. So at 1.25, at exactly at 1.25, so you can see what is the value. Okay, and here in the distributed model you can see what is the value. Okay, so that you can check, it's 0.69 RC. Now calculate what is 0.69 RC. Just calculate that what is that R value? R value is equal to 15K and C value is equal to 192 femto and multiply 0.69. So how much you are getting, and multiply 0.3, how much you are getting. So compare here in the result whether you are getting that or not. And another thing I'll say, see this lumped model curve, it's not touching VDD. So anyone can explain why it is not touching VDD? So before touching VDD, it is again discharge to lower level, again starting. So anyone can explain this thing? So can anybody explain this thing? So this.
Yes, sir.
So why it's not touching VDD? So before
Sir,
VDD,
actually, the input we are providing,
yes,
its frequency is we can say that its frequency not 1 by f is greater than that of the tau of that capacitance.
okay, yeah, exactly. So here we have given more frequency. If we reduce that frequency, that means the time period will increase. Okay, so that there is some means enough time to charge to VDD, or it will charge to discharge to ground. So for that we have to give this pulse width or period. So more than that, whatever we have given 10 nano, so you can give it's 20 nano or 30 nano like that. So that will get the perfect curve. So if you want to do, you can do. So make it 30. So not to make it 20. So you get 20 is 10. Okay. No, then so what will do? You have to, in the dot trans statement, you have to give So it should give 30 nano, 25 you can give. Okay. 20. So still it's required more time. Okay, so make it 40 so that it is not 40, 30 will be okay. Okay, so now I think this is okay. Okay, so have you calculated what is the time RC? So now
sir.
that thing, yeah. So why you are not doing this for measuring this trick track? Okay, so please do that. So
Sir, here the graph of P model, sir, pi model.
what you are saying?
Sir, graph of the pi model.
Graph of pi
In the
model.
graphs.
You are not getting.
Sir, no, there is no green part.
See, there are 5 V out P, that is pi model, green one.
Yes, sir.
If you zoom that, you will get it is there inside. So somewhere it is means you can see. Okay, it's there actually, but thing is, it's overlap completely. Okay, so that's why it's not. You can give for checking that. You can. Okay, so here you can put some. You want to P. So P means here. So I. So make it +3. +3. Give some offset and check whether it's coming or not. Yes, it's coming. So please check that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So initially, actually, it is overlapped with someone, so that's why. Mostly that pi and now please only for that two things, but lump and distributed. For that you can write the dot measure statement, the trick track statement. So we'll measure the value. So what you will do? So here, so after the end C line, what to write? So dot measure then tran. Okay. Then T difference. Okay. Then trig. Okay. So value trigger what? V in or V out? So V out. So V of out what? That L lumped. Then value VAL equal to half of that 1.25. Okay. Then from which to one? Rise 1. Okay. Rise is equal to 1. Then target. So it is not V out, this is V in. V in to V out will check. Okay. So target, you can make it capital TR, target, TARG. Okay, so it will work, not a problem, but like it. Trigger. Okay, trig V in value rise is equal to 1. So target what? V out L. So please do with me. V out L. Then val is equal to 1.25. Okay. Then rise equal to 1. Okay. Trigger V in val rise 1. So is this correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next statement, you can copy this. So change this V in rise 1. So this is V out D. Okay. So this two statement you have to write so that it will give you the value and you will check that with your calculation. So now you now see the difference. The first one is for what? Lumped or distributed? Hey, guys. Yeah, lumped. First one is lumped. So that is 1.99 or 2 micro. What is this? 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, 10 to the power minus 9 means
Nano.
nano 1.99 nano. That means 2 nanosecond. Okay. So for the next one, it is 1.19 nanosecond. So how much you have calculated actually?
Sir,
1.98.
1.98 you have calculated through that value.
Yes, sir.
And for 0.38 when you multiplied, how much you have calculated?
109
Huh?
nanosecond. 109 nanosecond.
109 na 1.09.
Sir, 1.09.
Yes, so it's almost close. So you have calculated 1.98, you are getting 1.99, and you have calculated 1.09, you are getting 1.19. Okay. So everyone understanding or not, or still you have some problem? So if you have completed, then we will go for another problem.
Sir, my second T difference is coming 1.08.
1.08 where you have calculated or?
Sir, in the graph it is coming.
1.08.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have used same thing, 1.08 you are getting. So you have given 1.25, 1.25. I don't know why it's difference. 1. So how much others are getting same what I have getting or?
Yes, sir, same.
Okay, so Ashwini, why you are getting? You have changed any value?
No, sir, not changed. Let me check.
Same for everyone. It will come same for everyone because we are using same resistance, same capacitance, same voltage source. To lose.
So let me check. There's something very different.
Okay, so we'll go for the next problem.
Yes.
Or we will still doing. Come on. Yes or no? So this.
Yes, sir.
So you are not doing.
No, sir.
Okay. So who is doing? Vijayalakshmi, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Nilima, have you completed
Yes, sir.
the major statement and you got the result?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we'll go for the next problem. So please do it. Then you'll learn something. So next problem is, okay. So the next problem is like this. It's somewhat different. So what you will do? So the interconnect, initially we have done that problem, that is a regular poly. Okay, the poly is regular. Sorry. Okay, that poly is regular, like this. Okay, so whether you are starting from this side or starting from this side, so you will get same result. But in another case, now do for this. Okay, so this is 500 micro. So this is 500 micro. Okay, this is 1 micro. So this is 0.5 micro, 1.5. So this is 0.5 micro. This is 1.5 micro. Okay, same poly. And same value, whatever you are using, previous case, same value you can use. That R is equal to R sheet is equal to your 15 ohm per square. Okay, so that you will use. And second is CPP, you will use 0.10106 femtofarad per micrometer square. Okay. Yeah. And fringing, same. C fringe, how much you will use? 0.043 femtofarad per micrometer. So now first do the calculation quickly, then implement that. This just edit on that. So we'll please do fast. Okay, so for lumped cases, your total resistance is 20 kilo ohm. Okay, total resistance is 20 kilo ohm. And total capacitance is 192 femtofarad. Okay, so for lumped cases, so this is 20 kilo ohm, this is 192 femtofarad. This is means even if 1 second it will not take. Okay, give this is in, this is out L. So for distributed, so like 5 section for this left side, and next five segment for right. So now tell me, so this is in, this is out D. Okay, now tell me what is this value we are using for left section. What is R? What is R? What is C? C left, R left. What is this value?
3K.
What is
5.
3K.
3K.
RL? What is RL value you are using?
300 ohm. 3000 ohm.
No, it's not clear. Who is
It is
saying?
4K.
3K.
Again.
3000.
4K.
4K.
4K, sir.
3K.
Yes, sir.
Who is saying 4K?
Sir, Srishti.
Srishti, why 4K?
The total is 20K. So
Yeah, total is 20K. So then,
so for 5, each one has 4.
so why are not listening me? I said 5 section here, 5 section here.
Sir, 2K, sir.
So then how, if you use here 4K, then what you will use here in this section?
But I have not seen that, sir.
What you
Sir,
are saying?
2K, sir.
So who said 2K?
3K.
Sir, 3K.
3K. Why 3K?
So the resistance of the left side is getting 15K. So 15K
Yes, sir.
divided by 5.
Yeah, you are Sandharani saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Srishti,
Yes, sir.
you should know this, yaar. Kya bolu? I'm really.
Actually, I got disconnected and I got connect now, so I have not seen that, sir. I think it was 5 earlier.
Why you are thinking? See, so for this section, so you are calculated, you are getting 15K here, you are getting 5K here. So for 5 section, 3K per resistance.
Yes, sir. Now I got
Is
it.
it rocket science? Very simple thing. So 15K is there, 5 section you will use. So 3K per section. Okay, so what is the C? जाग जाओ. So what is the C value in the left side? Who can say?
Sir, 96 point.
Per capacitance I am asking. What is the value?
1.
It is total 5 capacitance is there. So what is the capacitance of individual capacitance value here? I am asking.
Sir, 19.2.
C is equal to that R is equal to 3. C is equal to 19.2. Okay, so total what is the total capacitance you have calculated for this section?
So 13.9.
Yeah, 13.9 femto. Who said 19.2?
Sir, Sumant, sir.
Sumant, why is your 19.2?
Sir, no, sir. I just I put the wrong value. That's why. After
You are putting, so after half an hour you are putting wrong answer. See, what I will say you means think about yourself, what you are doing. See, this is very simple calculation. Already we have completed one problem. This is the second problem. So I have given almost half an hour. Still you are facing problem. Think about yourself, what you are doing. Okay, so it's 13.9. Okay, 3K and it's 13.9. So in the right section, what is the L resistance value?
1K.
So 1K. So everyone getting 1K?
Yes, sir. Resistance is 1K.
Okay, so capacitance, see, right?
24.5.
24.5.
24.5.
femtofrat.
5.2.
Okay, yeah, 24.5 femto. Okay, so this is the actual value. RC, RL, R in the left side you will be 3K and CL is 39.5 femto. So RR is 1K and so on. So now put this in your code. So everything is there. Just put that value and check. So don't think that it is same as the previous problem. So there is a purpose why I have given this problem. Because in the previous problem, it was regular, whether from the left side or right side. If you check, so same thing you will get. But here it will different. If you check from left side to right side, okay, left side your input, right side your output, you will get one time value. If you check from right side to left also, another value you will get. So that is the difference. And this is the assignment for you. Think why it is different. So that's why I have given this problem. Don't think that it's the same type of calculation why you will do. Check and think. So why this difference is there? If you do from left side as an input and right side as the output, what is the time it is taking? And if the right side is input and left side is output, what the time it is taking? Okay. And what is the cause? So that is the assignment for you. So please do complete this. 5:25 now. So what you will do? So initially you have checked from A to B. Okay. That is from you have started from here. Okay, this was your input. Okay, so like this you have used 5 sections. Similarly, after that you will use like this. Again, you have to 5 section. So that is right section. This right side. This is left side. Now you will do for B to A. Okay, so B to A. So same thing you can do, but only you can reverse the. You can change the resistance also. So if you are doing in this way, okay. So 5 again 5. Okay, this is your out D. This is in. But this resistance now initially it was 3K. This is 13.9. So now you can change to. It is 1K. It is 24.5 femto. Okay. So this way you can do. So you will not change the code structure. Only you can change the value. Okay, 1K to 1K and 24.5 femto. Okay, instead of 3K and 13.9. So, everyone getting my point? What you will do? Same thing, your structure will be same. Just change the values. Instead of 3K, use 1K. Instead of 39.9 femto, use 24.5 femto. Okay, and check your timing. Okay, so Subham, you are getting this value. Who else? Sandharani, you are getting same value?
Nilima.
Nilima. Okay, Nilima, you are getting same value. Who else? Okay, so Ashwini, you are getting 1.99 nanosecond, then 0.92 nanosecond. In one case, second case, you are getting 1.996 nanosecond, 1.93.
So first case it is 1.93 and second case is 0.9.
Okay, this is the first case, this is the second case. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So it's relevant to this also, because 1.05 you are getting 9.92. This is 2.06, you are getting 1.93. Okay. Okay, so it's almost correct. So now your assignment is, please think about why this huge difference is there. Okay, so if you are measuring from A to B, why you are getting more value, okay, but when you are measuring from B to A, so why you are getting very less value. Okay, so that thing you have to check. So what about others? Have you completed or trying?
Trying, sir.
Okay. So Devanand, Sumit, Sabimani, so you are doing? So if you are not doing, then you can leave. Nikita, so if you are doing, you can stay, otherwise you can leave. So please do yourself these things and think about why this difference is. Okay, so we'll discuss next. So tomorrow morning, I think I'll do that power consumption, energy, all these calculations. That part is left only. Okay, so second half, we think we'll do that layout part. Okay, so okay, thank you all. We'll stop here.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.